Our stock is constantly changing along, of course, with the market trends. So this week, I'm going to show you what's in the LWC cabinet. As always, let's start at this side. I've got a couple of Daytonas to show you guys. We've got some steel and yellow gold. We've got the new 126 reference. This is the new black dial. So it's got the beautiful black dial, gold sub dials. It's got the solid 18 karat yellow gold bezel. The retail price from Rolex is £18,900. This is a 2024 model. We're actually selling this for under retail price. This is why it's important to follow our market trends and updates, because this watch you can pick up from us for £18,750. I've also got another one to show you in the same category. It is the 18 karat yellow gold and steel, but with the gorgeous diamond dial. This is a factory black diamond dot dial with the beautiful gold sub dials. What a watch this is. The retail price from Rolex is way over £20,000, and we're selling this watch for £21,650, considering how hard it is to get from your Rolex authorized dealer with this dial. An absolute steal at just around list price. So the next one, again, following trends of like list, under list watches. This is an 18 karat rose gold sky dweller, a 42mm in size. They have two dial combinations, so you've got the rhodium and the chocolate. The chocolate goes for a premium. In my personal opinion, this is the dial, the rhodium dial. What a dial that is. The retail price from Rolex is a staggering £50,000 for this watch. This is a 2022 model. We've got it for sale online at £38,000. That's over 30% less than the Rolex retail price. Let's jump into the next line. So we've got the ever popular 18 karat rose gold root beer. List price on this watch is just over £15,000. We've had a few in the LWC. We've got a couple left. We sell these for between 14 and just a touch over £15,000 for the new 1-on-1 examples. Again, absolute no-brainer, great value for money, and a really popular watch. The next one that we've got, this is actually a discontinued one. Just want to show you this one. It's actually a 40mm Submariner date, last of its lineup. You know, the 18 karat gold and stainless steel with the black dial and black bezel. This watch here, we've got for sale for £11,950, considering the new retail price for the new one is just under 15 or just a touch over £15,000. Then we're into the next one. This is a good one for you guys actually. This just goes to show where the market's actually at. This particular watch here is a sea dweller. It's a 43mm in size, which means it's a wider diameter. Not only that, it's much deeper. So if you look to the side there, you can see it's got a much deeper side to the case and case back. It's a bigger watch, obviously, than the one that you've just seen. It's certainly one of those watches for you guys wanting something a bit different. Bit bigger than a sub date at 41mm for the new reference. £17,000 from Rolex. We've got 2 or 3 in stock, and we sell these for between £12,000 and £14,000. Unbelievable value for money for something a little bit different. And I predicted, and I've said it for some years now, bit of a Marmite watch under the radar. I think it'll be a great long-termer, because there's not that many about. Into the next one, need no introduction. I thought I'd pop these in the cabinet for you today, guys. We've got the quintessential, iconic Submariner date and no date. Such a good seller, such a good daily, such a good first watch or go-to watch for any watch person or enthusiast. Price-wise on these, the Submariner no date, list price just over £8,000. We sell just under 11 to let you guys know. And the Submariner date, again, you know, list price just over 9, I think about 9,100, and we sell for just under £12,000. Considering they're still not an easy watch to get from UAD, considering how popular they are, this is actually proved more popular due to the demand over the last 6 months. There's less coming through from Rolex, they produce less and they sell less, so that means there's less coming onto the grey market. Both extremely popular sellers, but that has been top of our charts for the last 4 weeks in the Submariner range. Then we're into the GMT range, got a couple to show you here. This actually just sold out, I think it was either this morning or yesterday. This is the GMT Master 2 Batman, 40mm in size, got the beautiful blue and black ceramic bezel, got the oyster bracelet, lovely polished center links there, really nice on the GMT, dual function watch of course, 2 time zones. This one's just sold for £12,000. If it was the new reference, we would sell that for around 14 or just a touch over. Again, our best selling GMT of the last 4 weeks, and you can see why. We've also got another one to show you in the lineup, the GMT Master, but instead of being the Batman, it's the Batgirl. Girl because it's on the Jubilee bracelet. Again, extremely popular watch. Retail price from Rolex around the 10,000 or just under. We sell these. This one's for sale for just around the £15,000 mark. Again, not an easy watch to get from Rolex. You will have to buy a few to get your way to be offered this watch. So certainly one that you should be picking up on the grey market, but tried and tested, such a great go-to watch and a very, very popular watch. And then through this side of the cabinet, I'm going to start off with one that I always finish on for you guys that always say I finish on the Pikachu. I'm going to start on it. This is an extremely rare watch, by the way. It is the brand new, unworn 2025 Pikachu dial, which is the champagne with the black sub-dials, Oyster Flex Daytona in 18 karat gold. I cannot tell you how hard it is to get this watch in 2025. We've had the price increase from Rolex, 14%, £4,000, which puts this watch to £31,750 retail. We've actually got this watch for sale. We've paid really strong money for this watch because we know how hard they are to get. Hardly any of the Oyster Flexes coming through. We're selling it for just over £40,000, around £41,000 to £42,000. What a watch that is. Next one down here, we've got an old one actually, a discontinued. This is a 2022 Oyster Flex Daytona, beautiful matte black Paul Newman dial. It's got the gorgeous red chronograph hand and obviously the red line that goes around the outside with the gold sub-dials. What a watch that is. Discontinued in 23. This is a 2022, absolutely mint condition. We're selling this watch for just a touch over £30,000, around 31 to £32,000. Great value in my opinion, considering, I know it sounds ridiculous, boom in the market. I actually sold one of these to a client in France for £45,000. What a great watch that is. We're going to jump into the Panda. This is actually the discontinued one again. This is 2022. Full set, brand new, unworn, iconic, Grail, Go, needs no introduction. We sold both the new and the old. The old is still selling, still got a following. Beautiful white porcelain dial compared to the new, which is a bit more matte. Really gorgeous watch that is. Definitely got to have it on your watch journey. Price £25,000. Next one, let's jump into the GMT range. So I've got a couple to show you here. I'll get them both out at the same time. So we've got both the Oyster and Jubilee bracelet. This is the left-hand drive, the GMT Master Sprite in 40mm in size. Oyster bracelet with the beautiful polished centre links. Jubilee again, polished centre links. Retail price from Rolex, late nines, around £10,000 or just over. This particular one is a brand new 2025. We're selling this for just £14,450, an absolute bargain in today's market. And this one here, we're actually selling for just £15,000. Considering the rarity, considering how popular they are, considering it could go watches and wonders this year, we all know that. But first and foremost, buy it to wear, and if it goes, fantastic use. Pop those two there. Then we're into the Datejust range. I'll tell you what, this is the best dial. Full stop, end of story. I prefer the Wimbledon. I absolutely love that. We've sold loads recently. This is as good as sell it, if not better, on month. This is the mint dial, 41mm, fluted bezel, Jubilee bracelet, an absolute must with the 41mm size. Mint green dial, top tier, daddy dial that is. Retail price from Rolex has gone up, it's £9,450 now. We sell this watch on our website at just under £13,000. Let's jump into the Submariner range. We've got a couple to show you here. I've got the Mark 1 and the Mark 2 dial. Just to let you guys know, the retail price from Rolex is just around £10,000. The Mark 1s we actually sell for around 12 to 13,000, and the Mark 2's just a touch over. So the Mark 1 being the darker one, the Mark 2 being the brighter one, and for me, great value for money. They have dropped off sales last few weeks. I honestly don't know the reason why. We had a big boom at the end of 2024, but like all models, they'll soon become really popular, or will soon start to sell a lot, and you know what'll happen? We won't be able to find any. I'll pop those two there. Then we're into the back, so we've got a couple more to show you here. We've got a steel Daytona, same as the Panda I've just shown you. This is the black reference, steel, really nice watch. They're great value for money now. Just over £20,000 we're selling this for. A brand new, unworn example. Considering where the market is, how hard they are to get, you know, that beautiful, gorgeous black dial and black bezel. What a watch that is, and I think really good value for money in today's market. And I'm going to finish on a bit of a different one. We've got the GMT GR&R, the 18 karat yellow gold and stainless steel with the Jubilee bracelet. Nod to the old school look. Absolutely love that watch. Two-tone bezel, grey and black. Really nice watch. just over £15,000 from Rolex. We're actually selling this watch brand new and unworn for less than Rolex retail price. So what do we always say? It's very important, tune in for our market updates.